stay. What's the wind? It's getting very windy. We should go inside. You sure? Yeah, don't worry, we can play inside. Yeah, okay. Whoa! Okay, Sissy, we should really go in. Yeah, let's go in. Let's get the dogs. Okay. Let's tell Mom and Dad. Mommy, Daddy, it was really windy outside. Really? Yeah, and it kind of smelled like rain. Uh-oh. Let's check the TV. Boop.
Attention, everyone! There is going to be a hurricane heading to Toca Boca.
What?
So stay safe.
A hurricane?
Bye!
What are we gonna do? Mommy, I'm so scared. I don't want it to be a hurricane. Don't worry. It will be okay. Mommy. Well, we need to get ready. We need to go shopping. To get ready. Okay. Girls, get ready. Okay, put a coat on. Okay. Okay, let's go. We need to go. I don't want to go, Mommy. It's gonna be okay. Oh my God! Mommy, I'm so scared. I don't want to get out of the house. It's gonna be okay, sweetie. Come on. What about the dogs? They're gonna stay here. Don't worry, they'll be fine. Let's just put them in a safe place. They can be here. Enough food, water. We're gonna go quick. Come on, let's go. How are we gonna go without money? Oh my God. My credit card. Oh yeah, and our umbrella. Just in case. You think it'll rain? Well, it's already raining. I don't want to go out. We need to go. Okay, fine. Okay, we got inside. Okay. Here's the umbrella. Okay, let's go shopping. We need to go fast. Okay, guys, split. You guys need to split. Okay. I'm gonna go with Stormy to get, the food, and you guys, go get other stuff. I don't know, toilet paper. Let's see. Oh, hi, Tina. Oh, hi there. How's it going? Are you shopping for the hurricane? Yeah. Where are your parents? They're right here. Oh my God, where are my parents? Okay. Come on. Let's keep shopping. We need to go quick. Can I get this pillow? We're on a budget. You can't just get random stuff. Fine. You know what? I am buying it. Yay! Thank you. Okay. Get your pillow. Okay. Need to go fast. You think everything will be okay? Yeah, sweetie. Everything will be fine. We need to get a bag. Wait, let me get a bag. Of course I'm here. I said I was gonna go get a bag. I missed you. But I was just gone for like 5 seconds. I know, but I thought I lost you. But I told you I was going to get a bag. Oh, well, whatever. Let's just get some carrots, some apples, lettuce. Ew, no, I don't want lettuce. You don't need to eat it. It's for me. Oh, okay. I didn't even like that. Tomatoes, oranges, pineapples, potatoes, bread. We need bread. Pasta. I cook pasta nearly every day. This. Oh, I need more. Can you hold this for me, honey? Sweetie? Yeah, sure. We need to get milk. I don't know if we have milk at home. I don't even know. We came here unprepared. Spicy! Why do you even get that? You don't even like spicy stuff. I don't know! Okay, is that all? Ooh, coffee! No, you're too young to drink coffee. Whatever. Okay. No. What did mommy tell us to buy? I think toilet paper. Oh yeah, toilet paper, of course. I might not know where the toilet paper is. What? What are we gonna do? I don't know, honey. Let's just look. Where's the toilet paper? Where's the toilet paper? Is that man crazy? Oh no, where's the toilet paper? What happened? I can't find the toilet paper. What? You can't find the toilet paper? I want toilet paper. If not, I'm gonna have to rip a piece of my notebook and use it as toilet paper to clean my butt. Calm down, sweetie. Calm down. Where's the toilet paper? Oh my god, you scared me. You just came out of nowhere. Where is the toilet paper? Oh my god, I'm so sorry if I just was like a bit aggressive. No, it's okay. The toilet paper is right here. Toilet paper! Yes, I found toilet paper. Yay! Woo! Toilet paper! We need to get everything that is in here. There's not much. There you go. Hold this for me. Can we get these chips? We're on a budget, honey. We can't buy that. Yeah. What just happened? Well, whatever. Money. Okay, fish? Fish? Yeah, fish. I don't like fish. It's not for you. How many times do I have to tell you? Okay. Bye. Bruh. Don't tell me. I did not film all of that. Bruh. Okay, I'm going to film all this. Take 3. Hurry, hurry. It's raining so hard. Woo! We're finally home. Okay, let's put everything here. Is here the dogs okay? Hi there, doggies! I'm so glad you guys are okay. Okay, let's put the toilet paper. And bit black. What's in there? Okay, let's put. You know what? I'm just gonna put the whole bag in there because I'm lazy. I'm not gonna put the whole thing in there. Oh, look, my new pillow! I need to call my friend. Bestie! What's up? Are you okay? Is it raining so much in the house? In the house? What? No, chill. It's not about the hurricane. Oh, sorry. Look at my new pillow. Okay. Pillow. Okay. What did you just do? I called my friend so she could see my new pillow. I'm gonna put it in here. What is that? How you text? Oh, well, you didn't even text her. Why would you call your friend? Oh my god, my voice changed. Why would you taste? Why would you call your friend to show her a pillow? Can't you just send her a picture of it or something? No. She will not see it. She will not respond. I need to call her. Okay. It's okay, sweetie. Well, just think the time has passed. I do not know what else to do, so bye. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. And share this video or whatever. See you in the next video. Bye. Wow. Business is going great.